Welcome back to my channel once again. It's Faith here, your web doctor, and in this video I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to create a high converting landing page using Canva. So if you are looking for an opportunity to create a landing page to sell your products without paying a dime, this video is for you. And if at any point you get value from this video, please don't hesitate to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more interesting videos like this. So let's get right into it. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to create a landing page, and we'll be using Canva. Canva is a design tool, all right? And then the first thing we have to do is to get our product, the product we want to create the landing page for, and then we will get our landing page copy. Okay, and the last thing we'll have to do is to start creating our landing page, and we'll get our images ready. All right, so here, if you look at my screen now, you will see that I've signed up on Canva already. This is my Canva account, and then I've gone to DeepSeek to get my landing page copy. Just like I said, my landing page copy is ready. My images are ready. So, and the product we will be creating the landing page for is a dog accessory. All right, so what do you do? Once you come here, by the left hand side here, you will see templates, home, and where you can find a whole lot of things. Then you can use the search bar to find anything you want. You can say landing page. If you want to design with a template, just type landing page. A whole lot of templates will pop up. All right, you can choose from any of these, but then I want to create from scratch, so I come to this place and click on website, create a website. All right, as soon as it opens, it will open an interface like this. This is our canvas where we will be designing our website step by step. So if you look at the left hand side, you will see design elements. Here you'll be getting a whole lot of elements to design your website. All right, you will see where to upload images, your brand images. So we'll do that quickly. I'll have to upload some of our images. Okay, these are the images we'll be using. I want to highlight all and at once bring them into Canva. These are the images we'll be using. All right, so that's what we'll be using. So if you look at this place, if you hover around design, you can see templates here, you can see layout, you can see style. So these templates are just pre-made templates you can actually customize and bring into your canvas. Let's say we want to use this particular image, you just drag it into your canvas, and this is it. Boom, this is the particular. So if you want to add other elements of this web page, you can click any of them, add them. Just add a page, drag them and put here. That's how you will continue creating your pages. But we don't want to do this. We want to design from scratch. So let me delete this. So let me delete this. I want to remove this. I don't want it. I want us to start afresh. So let me delete this particular one. So we want to start afresh. So let's go back to design. So under design, you can see layout. Let's say you want to have just the layout and you want to add things by yourself. So let's this a 2-column layout. Can you see here? You can add image here, you can add text here. This is a 2-column layout you can decide to use. So we'll be using this layout. Let me delete this. I don't need this. All right, so what are we going to do now? So now we have our canvas ready and our images are ready. So let's go and start designing our landing page. So I want to do something like this. This is the hero section. I want to copy my headline, tired of. So I want to copy it. This is our title, and we'll let's go back to Canva. So I want to, under the title, I want to paste this. So this is our title. You can decide to increase the font. You can decide to let's choose our font. We want to use the free font here. Let me look for any good font. Poppins. Let's use Poppins. All right, so that is the one I want to use, but then I want to make this a little bit up like this. So tired of cat, this heading, we can actually give this a text color. We can change the color, give it any color of your choice. All right, it's up to you. So whichever color you want. Then let me ungroup this. So I've ungrouped it. So here I want to add the cat image we are talking about. So let me bring in a cat image here, the image of the brush. All right, so when you drag it, just drag it into here, it will stay here. Can you see the brush we're selling? So this is it. So let's copy, let's go to DeepSeek again, and then introducing. So if you get this landing page copy, you can easily get it from ChatGPT or DeepSeek. This is the power of AI. All right, so you can customize it, rewrite it yourself, but I won't be doing that in this video. I just want to give you. So here we want to reduce the font size of this one. We want to make it a little bit. Remember, you have to prioritize what we call hierarchy. You know, something that is more important to be higher than the other. All right, so the next thing we'll do is to add our call to action button. So let's go to elements, go to elements here. We want to type and look for buy now. Let's say buy now. We can write it buy now button, or we can just use a buy now button, whichever one you want. So remember, these things are, some of them are paid, some of them are free. So anyone you use, if you have the Canva Pro, you can go ahead and can you see these buttons? You can choose any button of your choice here. So but the purpose of this video, let me pick this first one here. I keep it here. So can you see it's a pro one? That's why it has watermark, but in your own case, make sure you don't choose the one that has a watermark. I just want us to be fast about this. All right, so as soon as you do this, you want to link this, you want to link this to you want to link it to, sorry, I'll have to remove this. I don't want it to, let me just use an element. Let me not use this one, let me use an element. Okay, let me use this, let me drag this here. Okay, and then I say shop now. Let's see what's the call to action. Okay, get this brush now, you want to use it. All right, okay, I think we didn't. Okay, let me paste it here, Control V. So let's increase the font size, and we're going to actually reduce and change the color, the background color for this button. We want to make it let's give it a red color, or let's give it this color. All right, whichever color you want. And then I want the text color to have the text color to be white. So we have changed the text color to white. So whichever one you want. Let's see. So we want something that will pop out. All right, so I want to increase this, or you give it a blue color, whichever one. So it's up to you. Orange color is allowed, whatever you feel like you want to give. You can also pick a color from here. So let me change this to this. So this is how I think we didn't copy the last part of this. Let me copy the complete text here. So I may not finish the whole thing, but I just want to show you how to do this. So Control A, Control V. So this is our hero section. Can you see that our hero section is up? All right, so let me do something here. I want to do something here. I can actually reduce this Control A. Let's see the size we are using here. So let's use 42. Okay, so this is it. So let's add the second page. Under the second page, we're going to create the benefits, and let's see if we have some, the benefits. Yes, we have benefits. Is going to be the section for our benefits and fish. Now the headline should be why cats are obsessed. So we want to pick this, go to our landing page. So paste it. Why? These are just the benefits. So you have to understand how a landing page is structured, all right, how to design it step by step. So we're going to actually, add the features. Let's upload an image of the cards. So the number one here is less shading. All right, so copy less shading as our subtitle. So we're going to paste it there, less shading, and we'll increase the font size. Let's increase the font size to 20. 20 is okay. All right, so then we want to add this removes so if I continue this in this way, it will take our time, but I will do this section and then you will do the other section. I will do that much more later. So I want to add the features and the benefits. So this is just let me upload this, put it here. So this is the number one benefit. Then number two benefit, we're going to see the number two benefit, happy easy cleanup. Let me copy this one. So I'll just do 3, go back to this. I want to paste it here, and we change this to 20. Then we'll copy, pull, benefits sell better. So you have to put the benefits that someone will get buying this product, and we have to upload an image. Easy cleanup. Let's see. Let's put this, you drag it and enter this. So the last one we're going to do, let's say a happy cat or bonding boost. So the bonding boost, let's copy this, go back to copy this, and then we make it 20. Okay, we change the font size to 20, then copy this card. We copy this and go back to here, the benefit they start to gain. So happy bonding, let's see this. Okay, I should have used this one here since it says happy bonding. Then this one I will put something like this, easy cleanup. So I've put it here. So these are our benefits and features section. So the next section should be, don't forget to bring this thing down here. All right, so let's say we want to actually add another section, which is let's see the next section, social proof. So we want to add testimonial. We want to add the first testimonial to we want people to know that our product sell better. So let's find a layout for testimonial, a testimonial layout. Here, just look for any testimonial layout. So yes, I've seen a testimonial layout. So this is a testimonial layout. Here I want to put the first testimonial and the person that said it. Okay, let's copy the first one, my card. So let's copy the first testimonial and the person. So I want to copy this, go back, Ctrl V. So who said it? Sarah, 5-star review. All right, so we want to put this, and then we can put star review too. So let's copy it and go back to this place, and we paste it here. Sarah says this. So we want to add an element, star review. Search for star review, 5-star or 5-star review. Just click on 5-star review. It will give you a whole lot of this. So you look for the ones that are free. If you see anyone that is free, you use it. This one is free. Let's drag it and put it here. So we're going to resize it to this. This is perfect. So this is our testimonial. So we want to increase our font size here. It's too tiny. We want to make it readable. We want to make this one readable too. All right. So, and that is our star. So I want to add this, our testimonial, and these things. Let's say what our customers say. What our customers say. So that's our. So let me change this into black. Let me change it to black. You can change it to black or use blue, whichever one you want. So let's go ahead and let me go ahead and fill up these ones. So quickly, let's quickly fill up that testimonial. The testimonial number 2, we want to quickly fill it. So we quickly do that and increase this 16.5. So the testifier is who? Mike is the testifier here. Want to give it 18.8. So, and then the next one, let's duplicate this, duplicate. So we want to duplicate this too. We want to change this. Then this is our call to action button. I want to copy it. Copy this and come and paste it here. Let's delete this. Let's delete this and copy. Let's paste that button here. Allow. So now that we have copied it, I want to paste it here. So for this one, I go back and I think we have just 2 testimonial. Let's just copy it again. I want to make it just 3 and I give. So let's, who is the testifier? Faith. Is the testifier 18. So 16. So that is that. So that is the testimonial section. So after our testimonial section, you can add your frequently asked questions, but then I will go straight to call to action. Let me go straight to call to action. Let's find an element for call to action. All right. So what's our call to action button? We want to see if we can find a call to action button that suits what we want. The layout here, we want to look for a layout that will give us the exact thing we want. These are just layouts. All right. So if you don't find, let me design from scratch. So I will just pick this and then I will have to do something like this. I want to make it look so visually appealing. So let's do something like this. Change this to this, and then we want to give this a border color or a rounded color. Let's give it a rounded color and then give it a border color of this. Then the border color should be no, not this. This is the border color. The border color should be red. Why this is black? So this is what we're looking at. So we want to have something like this for our call to action. All right, for call to action. So stop. Our headline will be. So let's go and drag a text tool. Let me drag a text tool here. So a heading. We paste this. This is too big for us. so we can't use this 48. So I'm going to reduce this, drag it to the center. All right, so we're going to use the smart guard to do that. So 25, so make sure it's in the middle or at the center. All right, so this is our call to action. We want to add what again? So limited stock and all that. Let's put something like limited stock available. Limited stock available. So I want to do this, want to drag this again. Limited stock available. Let's change the color to yellow. So I want to reduce the font size. Limited time. So we're going to add something again. So let's go to our elements and then we'll search for countdown timer. Countdown timer. So we want to add a countdown timer. Under this, we're going to switch to video. We want to add the video timer here. We want them to know that in less than 1 hour, they will not be able to get this offer. All right, if they delay, they will not be able to see this offer again. So let me pick this. Let's see how it goes. You see, it's actually a premium tool, so it's difficult to get a free one here. But if you are on Canva Pro, you will enjoy it the more. All right, so basically let me put it here. But for you, so in the next 40 minutes, you will not be able to get this offer. Can you see we've put our countdown timer? You can, okay, let's put this particular one, this red one, instead of putting, so you can actually, so this is our countdown. So that is that. But it's not in the middle. I want to drag it to the, okay, let's keep it at the middle. So what's the next thing we will do now? So we can add a money back guarantee. Let's go to Canva and type money back guarantee. Money back guarantee. So let's look for it and then we're going to add it here. So these are money back guarantee options we have. These ones are pro. Let me add this free one here. Let me add this free one here. So we're giving you a money back guarantee. A money back guarantee. This is really, this countdown timer is really giving us headache because it's a pro stuff. All right, you can remove it and add anything else. All right, so that is the countdown timer, and we're going to duplicate this, bring it down here. So let me paste this 100% money back guarantee. So if you are buying, you have assurance. These are things that will boost your sales, all right, because you're guaranteeing that what you sell works. All right, so I can give this another color. Let me give it another color. The reason why you want to add more color is just for you to make your your landing page visually appealing. So let's see how it looks like. Let's see how it looks like. So if we preview this, you can see how it looks exactly like. So now that we have added this, let me remove this countdown timer and bring this one up so I can add our call to action button. Let me copy it again and then let me copy it. So copy it, let's paste it here so that, yeah, so this is our, let me bring this up. So can see basically how to do this. So so that's basically how to do. You can keep customizing. So we're going to claim, we're going to change the call to action text here to something else. Claim your so claim. So let me change the button here to pure red. Yes. So this is how our landing page. You can decide to add your offer to limited stock available, 100 naira, 1000 naira, 2000 naira. You can decide to put your price and all that. So I'm just giving you a kind of a rough design. So I didn't add this here. So let's add this here. So what our customers see, this is testimonial section, and then this is your CTA. Okay. So at this point, we want to see how our landing page looks like, and then so I want to add a link here. Just click on this button. Let's say we want to add a link to Paystack, our Paystack seller.com. Let's say we have our product on seller.com. Our payment gateway is seller.com or paystack.com, seller.com. So if I put this here, if you click on this link, it will take you to our seller store. All right, or click it, it will take you to any. Let's add our link. Let's say if you click here, you just click on these three dotted lines, add link. So it will take you to, let's say, Paystack is our payment gateway for this product. We're using it to sell this product. So it's up to you to add your link. So when you are done, this is this. So I think the last stage you add here is your copyright page. You can decide to add your copyright page, but I will not be adding that. So just add your page. Let's preview this. Click on preview. Let's see how our page looks like from on the front end. Can you see our landing page? Can you see our landing page? All right, this is how our landing page looks. So let's navigate to the mobile version. I want to see how it looks like on mobile. Very, very mobile responsive. Can you see? This is good. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that we can create a landing page free? So I've actually designed this from scratch. You can add other elements that are mixing here. This is not a complete landing page. There are other things you can add, how the product works, your pricing and all that. So we're not going to do that. So let's publish this site. Just click on publish. So I want to publish it. Can you see how it looks like? So now that you're publishing this, can you see that here Canva gives you option to create a subdomain on their domain, and that is why the website is absolutely free. I don't know if you get it. That is why this is free. But if you want to use your own custom domain, what you will do is just click on add custom domain here. All right, click on add custom domain, and you're going to buy domain from either Namecheap or Hostinger, then connect it to this place, and you will sell your product. So let me publish it. So let me add here, let me say a catbrush.com. Cat brush, that is the name of my landing page. Cat brush. So let's say that is our landing page. So it's preparing. As soon as it launches, we are good to go. So let's wait for it to publish. So our website is published. Can we see it? Let's copy it, or so if you copy your landing page URL, this is the link you will be giving to people who want to purchase. So let me paste it on my browser. Let's open our website on the browser or in the browser. Let's open it. So just copy it. Can you see that my website is now catbrush.canva.site? So this is Canva website. You just created a subdomain, and that is why it is free. But if you use your own domain, you will have something like catbrush.com. That's if you're creating anything, any subdomain or any domain you have, we now carry catbrush.com, fateamole.com, or whatever you have. So it's taking time to load. I don't know, but however it is, let's view it from here. So, oh, fantastic. This is how our landing page looks like. So someone can easily come here. Let's click on. So I didn't add button to this one, but this one I added, but I added a link. So let's click on it. I want to purchase. It will not take me to pay stack link to pay if you add it as your link. So that's how it works. Can you see how fantastic our landing page is? Can you see? Can you see? All right. So that's basically how to create your landing page using Canva. See you in my next video. Please, if you get value from this video, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and wait for my next video.